So, welcome to this amazing video where we are talking about the starting part of the HTML where I am so far from here, and that's what you can see right now. The internet is closed, so the one image is not showing over here. Please, this is slow internet speed. Please wait because I have done something over here. So yeah, this is like the quite a demo that what I'm giving right now, and so starting part of it over here as of like from the boilerplate. So I want to show some meta text. So it helps in SEO, search engine optimization, to rank your websites over there, and it helps, it's really help it. And by that, we can rank our websites, and yeah, it is like the moreover like the long term thing. So I'll be getting that later on. So that's what I have, and that's what. And further, we have added the body, of course, what we do in the body text, and what, like, all those things and tasks we add into the body. And first of all, that's like the head tag. All right, that's what we know, 6 head tags, and that's how it looks over here. This is front end page work, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So that's how it is, and this is the paragraph. And as we talk about the paragraph, like paragraph can goes like as much as like you can add, or I'm gonna add. So as much as you need, you can add the paragraph. And if you want to the add lots of paragraph, what you can do is you can write p multiply by the number of paragraph that what you need, so you can get as many. That's what I have done over here. And I have like done the alt and the cursor thing. So I have written I have written the like एक बार में ही सब कुछ मैंने like वहाँ पे टाइप कर दिया. I have not gone to this and this. So on further, what I have learned is the lorem. So by lorem, what you can do is you can produce dummy text. So but by writing just random characters, what you can do is you can have some characters with you. So like how you can have that like basically the lorem thing, because you write lorem and the number of words that what you want. So that's how it get created over there. And from that, what I have done is that I have applied strong, that makes bold. So over here it is like this is bold. So that's what the thing is. And second, emphasize. So this is em tag basically. Then the bold, italic, and the yeah, that's what the thing is right now. And yeah, paragraph, of course. So now we have I have had some links and images to it. So this is the link where wait a second. Yeah, this is the link. Like this is Instagram link, Facebook, internal links. So that's what I have added, internal links. And in Instagram, what I have added is the target. So what target does is that you click the link, and this pop to another tab over here. Okay, so this link, that's what it does. Target does add the another tab over here. So in Facebook link, I have not added anything. And what it does is it loads into this page only, tutorial front end. Now that's what the name of, that's what the name of the page. And that's where it reloads. So what it does is that the users that came to your website, and it loads over there, and you lose the visitors. And yeah, it's that's what it does. So by adding to the next page, that easy and convenient, so you can basically view both things, and then that's how it goes. And by that, what I have added links. And then what I have added the basically the photo. And over here, images, basically image source is equal to, and inverted comma, and alt. So over here I don't have right now internet. So I have not connected to internet, so it shows like what I have done is that alt is equal to inverted comma mein I have written it, show slow internet and comma, please wait. So that's what it shows over here. So let yeah, that's what it shows basically. Wait a second. Yeah, slow internet, please wait. So that's what the thing is. And another image is I have from the over here, like from my file. So that's what it shows. That's how it is. So from down over here is random things, and that's what the this is the like the part one, and the part two is coming tomorrow. So I have recorded, and I have recorded previously also this video, but it is like the 4K video and 3 GB file. So I'm like, that's scary, that's looks scary, of course. And uploading 3 GB is like taking me the whole day to upload. And this is where I'm creating the the short video, and it's gonna be part one and part two. So it's gonna be awesome. So that's how the journey is going, and that's good. And I have some applied theme over here, some icons. So it is like glowing and recommending okay what the icon is, and that's what the thing is. And I'll be meeting tomorrow, and yeah, 19th basically.